Would you sing worldwide to me? Well, I sing worldwide to you, wow. Just maybe. I love you too. Happy birthday over there. Woo! Sing me worldwide, okay. Right over there, I see you. You guys know our guitarist D-Bell?
Woo!
Oh, they know D-Bell.
How are you?
Question, so how many of you guys have written Harry Potter?
Good.
Oh, you muggles. And how many of you guys think it was awesome? I think we should write it. I am so writing Harry Potter! Who wants to write Harry Potter with us? Let's go. Guitar out. Kendall, can you play?
Yeah.